Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put a bucket seat into your Honda Civic. I'm going to be showing you how to do it on my EK Civic, but this guide should be true for pretty much any older car. They're all about the same and it's a really easy job. So you will need a few things. You will need the seat adapters and then a rail if you want to be able to move the seat back and forth, an impact wrench or an impact socket, and of course the seat itself. So we're going to start off by removing the old seat. It's pretty easy. There's just 2 bolts on the front, 2 bolts on the back. And then there's also the plug for the seatbelt buckle that we have to unplug. It's clipped up under the old seat.
You are now tuned into a brand new track from XX Hard Bites.
Alright, awesome. Let's get the old seat out. And don't throw this thing in the trash just yet. We're going to need to take the seatbelt buckle off of it. So it's just here on the side. And it's behind that cover there that's held on with 2 Phillips head screws. And if you're going to reuse the bolt that holds the buckle on, just remember now what side the washers go on the hardware. And I'm using Crank Motorsport hardware, so I've got Crank Motorsport adapters on some slider rails. And you need to fit those together. So you can see there is a bit of adjustability, so if you're freaky tall or freaky short, you can move the seat like a little bit further back or a little bit further forward with the adjustment. So we're going to whack the seatbelt buckle on now. And we'll get it nice and tight. Cool. Alright, we're going to put the seat onto the adapters. This can take a few tries to get right, so give yourself a bit of time to bolt it up, put it in the car, see how it feels, and then take it out and adjust it. I'm the GOAT and I know exactly what setting I want, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the highest setting. And before we whack it in, we're just going to remove the lower bolt on the seatbelt while we have access to it. And this thing has heaps of hardware attached to it, lots of these like weird washers and things. It's really important that you put them back together in the right order, so now's a good time to remember or take a photo of it. So we'll whack the seat in, hop in and give it a test. Okay, that handsome dude is happy with how it feels, so we're going to connect the seatbelt buckle plug. And just zip down the 4 bolts. Then we're going to feed the seatbelt buckle through the side loophole on the bucket seat. And put all the hardware on the correct way so you don't fly through the windscreen when you bin it. And then we'll just drill that bad boy in nice and tight. Cool, that's it. You got a cool seat in your super cool car.